Hello everyone, how's it going? It's been a crazy kind of day, right? Yeah, I know you think I'm crazy. Anyways, hello everybody. Guess what? It's fall, y'all. God, can you believe we're already in October? Time just flies. Anyways, it's 12:30 and you and I have a date. It's time to discuss our date. And today's topic is going to be kind of fun. It's enjoyable. I think we all like this topic. The top 3 outdoor amenities that buyers are looking for. So are you one of them? I know that I love being outdoors. If I could do everything outdoors, then I would. So hi Nancy, good to see you. So please, when you get a chance, make sure that you get to YouTube and subscribe for Drake's Real Estate TV. All right, so here we go. So buyers are prioritizing a full life at home, right? Thanks to COVID. And these are the top exterior features that people are looking for. So easy access to the conveniences consumers once enjoyed outside their homes, from spas and gyms, most of those are closed. So they're likely to remain that way for the foreseeable future. So it's no surprise that these home amenities remain front of mind for most of these buyers. So regardless of where you're buying or selling, what part of the country, these activities that you are doing at home definitely have shifted. So here are 3 rising trends in exterior amenities. And so here we go. So number 1, swimming pool. Did you know that the number 1 trend people are looking for are pools or space for a pool? So one thing I've actually found is pool companies are actually going crazy right now trying to keep up with the demand. So of course, supply and demand, prices are going up. And believe it or not, some installation timelines have surpassed 2 years in certain areas. It's crazy. So hi Lori, hi Vanessa. Most buyers purchase a home and try to immediately invest in landscape, right? Curb appeal, and pools if the property doesn't already have it. So instead of enclosed pool houses like you find on the East Coast, which I think are very strange, there's also an increased demand for like outdoor cabanas and the accompanying fireplaces and hot tub attachments to the pool. Those are big things. Don't forget the sun deck. Okay, people love sun decks. So number 2, landscaping with a purpose. Okay, so well, perhaps not really a true amenity in the conventional sense. Landscape greenery has become an extension of the home where people want to enjoy themselves, right, and spend time, but it can serve a practical purpose too, right? There's a continued focus on having enough space to accommodate organic gardening. I don't know about you, but have you eaten at any of those farm-to-table restaurants? I mean, they are fantastic. So buyers are seeking sustainability in their land. Hi, cousin. So, I know that my cooking skills have dramatically improved since February, March, and my herb garden is in constant transition. It's funny all these things you learn. It's like green onions. Okay, well, I started planting my green onions. So I've got a really long thing of green onions, and I buy them, I use them, and I plant them. I buy them, I use them, and I plant them. So they grow, and then I cut. And it's just an endless cycle. Kind of like the painting of the Golden Gate Bridge, right? They're never done. So, hey David, how are you? I digress. I always digress, right? So basically, a house without landscaping just really looks stark. And I've seen gorgeous new built homes with 0 landscaping, and it just feels so bare and really, really seems to have a lack of privacy. So think about that. And if there is such a situation, I try my best to help my clients envision what they want and need and are looking for in a property. So talk about a pool, talk about the edible garden. Citrus trees are a great thing, right? And they don't have to be the gigantic variety. They can be the miniature variety in a pot, right? So you can never have enough lemons, you can never have enough limes, and of course, oranges are delicious, okay? Don't forget the avocado, and I call dibs. Anyways, help them see it. I will help them see it. Last but not least, of course, is we're talking about how about recreational rooms outdoors. Okay, so Related to the rising demand for pools and landscaping is the need for spaces dedicated to outdoor physical activity, right? Large lawns to run around in and burn off energy. Hi, Dina. If you're lucky enough to have a sports court, or a tennis court, that's my dream. I need a house with a big enough backyard for a tennis court, right? Heck, some even have things like zip lines, believe it or not, because they've got acreage back in the Midwest. But anyways, on a smaller scale, it'll be fun to do anyways. So obviously, these can't be done in many areas, but there's a huge increase in rural purchases where the lots are larger. Okay, gyms are closed for health reasons. Homeowners need a space to work out, so they've gone to their backyard. I recently visited a home that turned a one-car garage into an air-conditioned workout room with padded flooring, free weights, exercise equipment. It was fantastic. They said it was the best improvement they've made, and the entire family is using it. So it helps in stressful times to work out. And now you can know that they can keep their own regimen right in their home backyard or garage. So the family that works out together stays together. So don't forget that outdoor appliances, grills, and smokers add a lot of value. And so does landscaping. Speaking of smokers, I just bought one. Yes, I cooked my first couple racks of ribs the other day. And I must say, I've never cooked ribs in my life. In the 43 years I've been on this earth, I've never cooked ribs. And they were mighty good. So anyways, in regards to listing your home, when you list with me, one thing that people need to keep in mind is you need to take those pictures of those amenities in the backyard, and you need to put them to the first 5, okay? Because your first 5 picks are your money picks, okay? So in my marketing, I make sure that I do that. So, we all have to realize that the way we live is changing, and you need to show your listing in a way that is of interest to the buyer. So yeah, but that's really all I have for you today. Hope you found it interesting. I want to thank Inman News for providing the information, and please feel free to share. Just want to thank you again for your interest and your support. I always try to come from contribution because that's my thing, right? And thanks for watching, and be kind to one another, and don't forget to live, laugh, and love. That's right. So until next week, when the next move matters, contact Trade for Homes. See you guys later. Bye now.